One of the main reasons why I picked Atlantic Cape Community College is one, it was close. I live about 30 minutes north of Atlantic City Airport. Being local, it makes it a lot easier to get down to when I need to do a flight, especially early in the morning. But then also I picked the college because I have the GI Bill. So I've been in the Air Force for about 9 years now, and using the GI Bill has taken a lot of the financial burden off, especially with the flight program, which can be very costly. So by being able to use my military benefits and also being able to be close, I found this was the perfect college for me to start flight training, to get my commercial licenses and everything.
Hi, I'm Kenny Super. I'm a certified flight instructor at Atlantic Cape Community College. Today I'm flying with Matt and we're going out to do some CFI training. So we're going to be flying down the coast doing our normal maneuvers as we conduct going down to Cape May. We're going to be doing some 8s on pylons, some lazy 8s, and some steep turns. We'll also practice all the CFI stalls, so we have secondary stalls, accelerate stalls, and cross-controlled stalls that we're going to practice today too as well.
I'm going to check the oil quantity, make sure that's within the operating limits. That's good. Checking in here, make sure nobody made home. Enough propellant. No nicks, no scrapes, no cracks. Same thing. Look at the brakes real quick, make sure the wheels are good.
Atlantic Cape Community College has set up a great program for private instrument, commercial, CFI, and multi-engine training. We've been doing well getting our students through the training in about their 2-year process. We have 2 students that have just finished the program that did it in 2 years, and we try to continue doing that going forward.
So when we're flying the aircraft, it's not really kind of blank mind. You're always thinking the next 10 steps ahead of the airplane. You want to think ahead of what you're doing right now. Meaning, is everything set up? Are you ready for your approach and landing at the next airport you're going to, whether it's Atlantic City or Cape May or anywhere else? It's also thinking of how is the airplane performing? Is it handling fine? Are all my gauges set? Is my autopilot set even, or GPS? And am I looking for other planes in the area? So it's not really more of a blank mind or just in my own headspace. I am actively thinking about 5 different things while flying an aircraft. So Atlantic Cape's aviation program has helped me a lot because the college offers what we call a 0 to hero kind of program, meaning 0 hours till a commercially licensed pilot. For me, I started with about 20 hours, so having some flight time and then joining this program really helped accelerate my training over the last 2 years, going from just earning my private pilot's license to earning my commercial single and multi-engine, as well as having an instrument rating. Now I'm working on my certified flight instructor license. So for anybody thinking about attending Atlantic Cape's aviation program, not only does it offer fixed-wing aircraft, we do have a helicopter program. We also have air traffic control and just aviation management programs. They teach weather concepts, theory, aviation theory, how airplanes work beyond just flight instruction. So the biggest thrill I get out of flying for me is just the sense of adventure, and it's not only just a career move for me, it's a passion. I've loved flying since as long as I can remember, and then learning to be able to fly myself has been even a greater thrill. It's the thrill of being able to travel far in a shorter time and being able to just see the world from a different perspective at anywhere from 2,000 to up to 12,000 feet.